We're going to do an unboxing of the last dash cam I'm ever going to film. I'm running out of cars to fit to them, and tomorrow we're going to be fitting this to my friend Jerry's car. It's a GKU D1000. It's a 3-channel camera. That means it's got a front and a back, but it also records inside apparently. So we're going to unbox it now, and tomorrow, hopefully, cross fingers, we'll be fitting it to his car. Now, the same company, I have the same one in my Yaris, which I took out and now I've put into my Ford, because I found it very intuitive and very easy to use. They also sent me a hardwire kit, because these things here run 24/7, but so even when you got your key out of your ignition, it should still work to record what's going on inside and outside if there's any movement. I think for now what we're going to do with Jerry's car, we're going to wire this up so it goes through his cigarette lighter, and then we'll use the hard wire kit in here. So let's have a look in the box. Angelos, what have we got? So we've got some mounting sticker things here. Now these are kind of interesting. I didn't really know what they were at first when I put my first dash cam in, but they go on your windscreen and it allows you, if you want to take it off again, to get it off kind of easy. Alright, so that's a good little thing. We've got a business card, and we've got kind of a comprehensive manual in German and German. Yeah, oh no, it says Italian as well, so no French, I'm afraid. Shouldn't be sold in Canada apparently, but anyway, we won't say anything about that. Yeah, the reason why I like my GKU dash cam, the earlier model than this, is that if I want to sync it to my phone, once it's done, it's done, and it works really well. You know, you can get the images from the back and the front and download them. If you don't want them delete them, but you can get every image that you've got, put them together and make a continuous video if you wish, because it only does short sections, and these re-record over the top of each other when it gets to a certain time frame. Good, eh? So what have we got? So we've got our little, this is a sort of common rear camera. I'm not going to take the cover off until tomorrow, and the same as this 3M type sticky stuff that goes on, so that's a handy thing to have. We'll need that. Now what on earth is this thing here? Oh, this is the mount for the camera. So that goes on there, so that means, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, so this dash cam can actually come off its mounting. If you want to take the camera off, you can take it off the mounting. That's nice. So, sorry, it's really hot and humid and sticky today. So we've got an adjustable camera here, and we've got an internal camera here. We've got controls on the top. Really, I don't know if you really need them. You only need them for, that's on and off, M, I don't know what that is, fast forward, reverse, and OK. Now, that dash cam of mine is voice controlled, voice activated, so I think this would be pretty much the same. There's got a little triangle down there. Now what I'll do tomorrow is I'll read through the book tonight, and we'll work out how it all works. It's already got a memory card in the slot, so that's good. You don't need to buy one of those. There's the cigarette lighter slot, common a garden thing for a dash cam, and it's got a USB 2 connection in there. It seems to be a white one, not a blue one. Well, it doesn't really need to be. And there's your plug that goes into your camera. You can't really go wrong with it. Again, front to back, you can't go wrong with that either, because it's all, this is USB-C, and in here somewhere there should be a USB-C port. Ta-da! You've got a little bag of clips Now sometimes what you've got to do is undo the capping on the air post on the windscreen, and then you put this in. Alright, so you've got some little clips and you've got some spare sticky pads, which is always handy. Well, might as well have a look in here as well. What have we got in here? Ah, you see, now that other dash cam thing didn't have this box in. Apparently, if I remember rightly after I've read about it a little bit, these haven't got a battery in them. They've got what's called a supercapacitor, I do believe. Plenty of lead on there. Connections are pretty much straightforward. And if you look here very, very carefully, it's got B+, that means the battery's on all the time. And this one here has got accessory. Now I wired mine up on the battery plus to the interior lights, because they're always on anyway. So as soon as you open the door, you know there's power on, and that's it. And this one here, I hooked into the fuse of the radio. So that switches on when you switch your ignition on, and of course naturally a ground. I found mine was very, very easy to put in, but Jerry's got a newer car than me, so it's worth doing it. What's it got here? Now another nice thing about this as compared to other dash cams, this has got the GPS sensor built in, and it's 5G, so that's pretty good. 4K Ultra HD, so you're going to get some good pictures off this, believe me. Come in here, Jerry. Come in. This is my friend Jerry. We've just fitted this D1000 GKU dash cam to his Honda, and it was the simplest thing ever. What did it take? About half an hour?
Yeah, half an hour. Yeah. It was...
The cable, we had a bit of a fun with the power cable, because the cigarette lighter's in the glove compartment.
In the console, yeah.
So we ran it sort of under the carpet, under the seat.
It worked out good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
We've got a front and a rear camera and an interior camera with it. But I think, and the setup was easy, the installation was easy, but the setup onto your phone was like child's play, wasn't it?
Really, yeah.
It found it straight away, no messing.
Exactly, it was really easy, especially for somebody like myself. I'm not used to doing this sort of stuff.
That's right.
And it worked out really well.
And I don't even think we read the book, so it must be good.
Yeah, that's how easy it is.
Oh no, I tell you what we read the book for the QR code for the scanner. That was all.
Yeah.
Nice pictures. I hope I've saved some pictures when we were in the car. But yeah, it's a really nice one. I think the GKU ones, I might just, if I get another one,
it'll be that one.
It'll be that one, not the beginning with the T. I have no end of troubles with that one.
Oh yeah,
the only tool I've got it in my pocket. Look, the only tool we needed is a little spatula to prise the rubber seal down.
The mouldings and that off, yeah.
And just push the wire. There was bags of room in to put wire.
Lots of room, yeah.
And lots of wire to go front to back. I think we could have put it in a London bus.
Could have put it in the trailer and pulled it behind.
So anyway, a satisfied customer.
Very much so.
Very good.
Very much.